Most businesses waste 30% of their time on repetitive tasks. What if AI could do it for free? In this video, we're showing you exactly which processes to automate first. Repetitive tasks kill productivity. Email sorting, data entry, scheduling, customer responses. These eat 20 to 30 hours weekly per employee. AI automation eliminates them instantly. The result? Your team focuses on revenue-generating work. Businesses automating just 3 core processes report 40% efficiency gains within 30 days. This isn't theoretical, it's happening now. Start here, customer service responses using ChatGPT or Claude. Second, automate email filtering and lead qualification with Make.com or Zapier. Third, streamline scheduling and calendar management. Most tools cost under $100 monthly. ROI hits immediately when you calculate saved labor costs. A manager earning $50K annually saves $25K yearly automating just half their work. Scale this across 5 employees, that's $140K recovered instantly. Add 0 hiring costs and training overhead. One client we tracked saved $180K in year 1 by automating sales pipeline management. The upfront investment, $2,000. Payback period, 4 weeks. Week 1, audit your team's daily tasks. Document the top 10 time drains. Week 2, map these to available AI tools. Make, Zapier, or OpenAI integrations. Week 3, build and test automation workflows. Week 4, train staff and measure results. Simple, repeatable, scalable. Subscribe for more AI automation strategies that directly impact your bottom line. Drop a comment, which task would you automate first?